Hello there, minions of technology. My name is Tim Lee. Welcome to Legacy Studio. We're going to play a little bit of a game that I call Splinter Cell. This is on the Game Boy Advance. We'll play this here in just a few minutes as it's loading up here. Let's go ahead and mention the people who are making a humongous difference here on my YouTube channel every single time I turn on the camera. Big, humongous thank you to Sean Hammond, Tony Allen, and William Poneth for being my legacy historians. I absolutely love these guys. They are absolutely incredible, supporting the channel at the highest tier to make sure that I can keep making content. I deeply appreciate that. Also, thank you to my Dorka historians, all these guys who know what it is to be a Dorka historian, and if you don't, well, then you're going to have to go look at a couple of my missed videos, especially the Riven series, where you will learn what it means to be a Dorka historian, and you know what? These guys are absolutely incredible. Thank you to all of them. And then our early access historians as well. All of these guys, all of my viewership gets early access to all of my videos before you guys get to see it. Excuse me, that would be a hiccup. I always do something like that in the middle of one of my videos. What happens, guys, is I release a lot of videos all at once, but I schedule them to release on a schedule. And if you just want to binge watch a bunch of them, well, you can get early access and see a bunch of them. Recently, we've been playing through a lot of Myst videos. I've been taking a little breather from it just for a little bit because I just keep coming to, I need to use my equipment for other stuff. I'm running back and forth, and so what I've been doing is enjoying playing on my Retroid Pocket 2 Plus. Okay, let's get right into the game here. I'm wasting your time here clicking away. So let's go ahead and play this game here. I'm going to be looking down at this one because this is, there's a couple keyframe differences between looking at my Retroid, which you can see at the bottom of the screen down there, and looking at the screen next to me. So I will be looking down as I play this. I'm going to start a brand new game here. And by the way, Ted is a nickname. It's actually Teddy. It's what my wife calls me, so I use that as my it's what I use as my my login name here. So I did not do any training. I went right into this first level, and I've only played a little bit of it. So we're going to play it together, and we're going to have a little bit of fun together, and I hope that you enjoy this. All right, Fisher, we need you to go search the Georgian capital of Tbilisi. For two missing CIA agents, William Robert Blastine, I guess, and Alice Madison. All right, right into the game. Now, do you remember when... Oh, Fisher, time to go to work. Finding Agent Ballstein is our first priority. Our best lead is the CIA contact in Tbilisi. You need to get through the building before it collapses, if there's any chance of finding him. So this was interesting. I did play this for a little bit, but you remember when we were kids and we got on our Game Boy Advances and we thought that this was the best graphics ever? I can't believe it! So let's go ahead and play this here. And like I said, it's really fun just to dig up some of these old retro games, and they're really not that old. Technology has just come so far in such a small amount of time. I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to move my screen up a little bit because I do want you guys to kind of see me actually playing on this as well, because it looks weird when I'm looking down throughout a whole video. Let me go ahead and change my autofocus here as well. Make sure that the camera's going to behave while I'm doing this. There we go. All right, let's get a move on here so we can jump over this, jump over this. Let's turn up the music here just a tiny bit more. Get a little bit more audio. Okay, can I jump over this? Oh no, this is where I grab the pipe. Okay. I gotta jump over this. Okay. I sat in this room forever and didn't realize that I should go through that door. I'm sorry, this is one of those games where I was like, ooh, I should play this on the channel, but I was too busy playing it in person to think about playing it on the channel. Like I said, I didn't get very far, so you will still get to see me make a little bit of progress. Okay. Okay. You'll still get to see me make a little bit of progress in this game without having to... Wait a minute. Ah, okay. I think I can run across this. Okay, there we go. And then this one was get up here. Okay. And now, truth be told, when I was a kid, my mom was very amazing at raising her kids, and I probably wouldn't have been allowed to play this game because this is shoot 'em up, first-person shooter kind of thing. You know, so it's interesting to play these games now as an adult. So, and up here, there we go. So I'm living the childhood that many of my friends lived, and I did not. I still thank my mother every single day for. Can I walk through here? Is it gonna break? Let's see. I still thank my mom every single day for how she raised me. I was raised very traditionally, and I'm very, very thankful for it. And you know what? I had an amazing childhood, but it was very sheltered. Yes, if you're asking, it was very sheltered. And my sister, who supports my channel here, knows about that sheltered lifestyle as well. So, was I supposed to jump this? Yes. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. And yoink. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, objective complete. You know what? I haven't even gotten this far yet. So this is where I guess we're at, where I haven't gotten to. Sam, there's staff hidden in the building. Oh, no, there's a safe hidden in the building with important documents. Find it and we'll be able to locate Blaustein. Blaustein. I might stick with Ballstein. Or Ballstein. Can I run across this or should I jump? Okay. Oh, dear. And do you notice that I have a gun, but it only has 5 shots? 5 shots. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. A safe. I wasn't paying attention for the safe. I'm wondering if I'm just going to run into it or if it's something I have to be looking for. Oh, dear. Oh, gosh. Don't you love when they add in the new dynamics that just scare you to death? Oh. It's probably not what was supposed to happen. Okay. I know. Okay, oh dear. There we go. Alright, so... Well, I gotta jump this. Yoink! There we go. Go down here. So how do you handle the elevator? Can't push the button and wait for the elevator to show up, can you? That'd be hilarious. Whoa. Yoink! Oh no! This is going well. Okay, yeah. Okay. And now I'm just getting, like, lazy, and I'm like, okay, I can do this. Oh, can I just jump down here? I proved my point. I rest my case. Okay. Have you ever played the game on Google when your internet goes out and all it shows is that little game that you can play with the little T-Rex or Velociraptor running and jumping over birds and stuff? That's how this feels right now. Have you ever wished that the internet would stay off so you could keep playing it? I have, because I'm a nerd. Hoink! There we go. I'm a nerd. Such a nerd. Okay, so... what am I supposed to do with this? Ah. That would make sense. I don't want to die, so let's just jump down to the second level instead of being a complete idiot. Because I'm a doofus. Okay, we can run and jump over this. I'm assuming I'm supposed to grab this. And then this. And this. I am so glad he auto-grabs. Have you guys seen a safe anywhere? I have not. Oh, well, that was easy. Oh, you actually have to do this? How? Oh, okay. Well, okay. Admittedly, that's too easy. I wonder if that's going to get harder as time goes on, because admittedly that did feel just a little too easy. You got any bullets in there? I could use some extra bullets. I only have 5, and I got to remember how to get the gun out. Okay. Yoink! Now my next question is, what exactly am I supposed to be doing next? I guess I should jump down to the next floor. He's breathing hard. I remember that there was one game when I was a kid, and I don't know if you guys remember this game. My sister and I found it like a free-to-play game online, and we were super young, so I don't know why my parents let us check out the internet as much as we had the capability to do. But it was a game about like a Captain Cat, and I don't remember the name of it, but it was like a free-to-play game. But the thing that was so cool about it, that my sister and I were freaking out about, that we loved, is that he breathed. And we thought, wow, that's the coolest thing! That as he's standing there, he's just pushing his chest. That's just like the best animation ever! And here he is, right here, doing his breathing thing right there. Who comes up with this stuff? I mean, seriously. It's awesome. And back in the day, that was quality workmanship. That was awesome game graphics, man. I think I'm about to die. Did I not grab enough health? I'm seeing 2 health bar. Oh dear. Oh. Okay, there we go. I have a feeling that I may not have grabbed enough health to survive this next part. Especially if other players come into play, like other bad guys that I'm supposed to shoot. Ooh. Oh, okay. There we go. So far, this is more like a puzzle. My game YouTubers who support my channel will love this, because this is all. Oh, but you can't. Oh dear! Don't do it. No, scary. So scary. Okay. Anyway, I don't want to die. 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 Ooh. It's too spooky. But you gotta admit, games like this, I mean, even in the low quality that they are, I mean, they're not low quality. For the time that they released, these were high quality games, even though he looks like Slither or whatever, the guy with no face. I mean, this is, it's still enough to freak you out. It's still enough to give you drama and put you on edge. Oh, okay. So I'm doing an awful lot of walking around with not much results here. Okay, good. Blaustein's black box is your next objective if he's running standard. My cable here is doing weird stuff. I'm sorry about that. Hang on just a sec. There we go. If he's running standard agency tradecraft, you'll find the box behind a fake bookshelf or a wall panel. Okay. Oh, look, we got people. Okay. That was not meant to happen. Oh, I have to jump up a floor. Now what do I do? Oh. Look at the bar down below.
Hey.
No, wait. Hey. Oh gosh. Okay, anyway, let's see. Can I drop down? That would be a no. So, is this where we shoot him? I feel like that would be just as bad. Let's see if I can shoot him. Here we go, and... Oh, we put him to sleep! That's even better! Oh, no, wait. Go to bed. Go to bed. See, that's the thing I like. It's a clean game. It's a clean game with a dirty mind. Oh, another one. Okay. So... Oh, I see. You got to do it in a certain order. Okay, that's kind of cool. They keep it simple if you're a little kid, of course. Perfect for my... No, wait, no, wait, no. No, stop stabbing me. Don't tase me, bro. I am almost dead. I am going to wrap this episode. I'm going to wrap up this game once I die. I think that that's fair. If you want to see me play more of Splinter Cell, then keep an eye out, because that will happen more. Oh, wait a minute. Bookshelf. No, I guess not. Okay. Stay asleep. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little guard dog. No, wait, what? No, I didn't. Don't you dare wake up. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Okay. Whoop, 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 whoop. That's the best part. Oh, cool, you can hide. Okay. So, when I die, because I'm terrible at these games, if you want to see me play more of this, then hit that like button. And I might play more of it anyway, but still, I do appreciate your input. I am out of bullets now, so here's when I'm going to die. Oh, that was helpful. Okay. Okay. Now, I guess I should be checking these. Nothing's happening. Oh. Oh, good. Health! Oh, yeah, I was definitely not in front of that health thing nearly long enough. That's very helpful indeed. Okay. All right. Oh, wait. I only got 3 bullets. Can I get some more bullets? No, so that was my bullet right there, huh? Well, that's no fun. I'm Mr. Awesome. I don't need bullets. Oh, I can stab him, though. Joink! Here we go. Okay. So we're still looking for this black box. Oh, I'm just gonna... Oi! No, wait! There we go. Don't you tase me, bro. Okay. So now it's a fake bookshelf, or I'm gonna have to shoot this guy. There we go. Oh. Nothing? Nothing at all. Okay, well, let's try to unlock this and try not to get woken up. Or wake him up. Oh, look, there's a time limit on this one. Okay, that's making it better. No, wait, no. Oh. Okay, now we're getting better. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Yes, now the game's getting good. Now we're talking. Okay. Did I just walk back into another room? Or... Okay, there we go. That's a pretty... Mission complete. We got the black box. Awesome! You know what? We're at 18 minutes right here, so I am going to cut it off here. I was thinking I was going to die, but we completed... Oh, like the whole dang mission. Oh, that's cool. If you want to see more of games like this, then by all means, hit that subscribe button. But of course, by all... There's a fly in my office. I just want to say thanks. Thank you so much. Hit that fly button. Hit that like button, of course. Leave a comment down below. If you have any games, what are the games that you remember when you were younger that you would love to play again? Those retro games that weren't retro to you when you were a young pup. Let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching Legacy Studio. Keep it crispy. First Tim 412. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.